up, everybody? Hey, this is your boy Trey. TreyzTravelz going down to Florida. Learn how to scuba dive, getting that certification. It's a beautiful day out. There's no cars on the road. This is clutch. And I'm heading to BWI, Baltimore, Washington International Airport. And I'm catching a flight on Southwest. Whew, I'm so excited. I will be scuba diving, so I will be taking seafood orders as well. Let me know what you want. What up, what up? It's your boy Trey from TreyzTravelz here again. I just crossed the Mason-Dixon line. Hold on, I think I'm shouting. Hold on. Yeah, so anyway, I am in Maryland right now, and I'm speeding down 83. Don't worry, I am a safe driver. I practice safe driving. I have my eyes on the road actually at all times. I'm mindful of my surroundings, and you know, I joke around like with diving, you know, like playing with sharks and taking seafood orders, but like in reality, I take diving very seriously. I always check my oxygen levels, my depth gauges, some asshole just cut in front of me. I had to lay on the horn. Man. Anyway, so like I was saying, and I am mindful of my surroundings. Morning, live from West Palm Beach. Slept like complete shit, but that's okay. I went to my favorite Cuban coffee and artisan bakery shop for a cafe con leche and this orange juice. It changed my life for the better. So I didn't want to film them doing this because it's kind of weird, like having someone like film you make orange juice and you know, coffee, but so it's really cool. They have this orange press where they feed like live oranges into this machine, and it like presses the juice out of them, you know, hence the orange juice. You know, today's scuba day, part one of two, and yeah, I'm like super looking forward to it. I'm getting my checkout dive at one of the best spots in the country, Blue Heron, Phil Foster Park, and I'm actually on my way to a meeting of sorts, so I am going to sign off for now. Here we are, Blue Heron Bridge at Phil Foster Park, Singer Island. Really excited. Oh, I am just missing the turn actually. But yeah, it's really popping, man. There's like a whole bunch of people here. There's boats out, yachts, people just walking in the street fishing apparently. I don't know if Florida's really weird. I'm gonna do a little U-turn. Man, I'm so excited. I hope I find some sharks. Maybe some octopus, some barracudas will do, but it's like really nice. The weather is approximately 83 degrees. There's no wind. Yeah, water temperature is about 78 or 80 degrees. And yeah, let's go diving. So if you ever want to jump off that bridge, I know people that have, but in a rare moment of sanity, I never did. But those who have lived to tell the tale. So that's the Blue Heron Bridge. some pigeons, some yachts up here, some sort of lifeguard tower, some kayakers, so we got kayaking, and do not swim, dive, or wade. That's disconcerting. But yeah. Going to Miami. Psych, I'm just getting some Cuban coffee. I forget what it's called. It's Delicatessens. That's definitely not right. But it's in like some hole-in-the-wall gas station. And usually those are the best places. Most authentic, most real, most delish. I'm on I-95. It's pretty cutthroat out here. Got trying to turn this bitch around. Yeah, 4-lane highway. You know, it's actually pretty mild today. But it's also like 9 in the morning on a Sunday. But alright, here's my exit. Peace. So it's actually called Delicias. Delicias Cuban Cafe. I stopped at the Delicias and I got my fresh squeezed orange juice. This Cuban gentleman saw me asking about him and he just gave it to me, and you know, he's cool as hell, man. And, you know, wanted nothing in return, just genuine, kind human being. And I'm really hoping that this coffee will take me to new heights. And water, of course, to balance everything out. It's such a hard life. The coffee's starting to kick in. But yeah, I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. And then I had my last dive. And I was strangely okay at like 6:30 in the morning. But it was so freaking cool. I'm so glad I did it. I saw groupers, angelfish, jellyfish, those little fish that kind of like hibernate in the sand when they're scared or whatever. Rockfish, jackfish. There was also this guy who was he was swimming with the diving sign. It's it indicates to boats and I guess fishermen that there's divers down the water, and his ass was swimming with it underwater. Like the sign was like completely underwater. I don't even know. Maybe he has a personal problem or something, but I really wish I had a dive camera. It would just take my channel to new heights, but I don't. I didn't even think to like really get a video of the water, but yeah, right now I am going to Publix for groceries because I'm still living that college budget and I have no money. So yeah, making my way down to the Keys, Key Largo to be specific. I'm diving at a place, or with a place called Rainbow Reef, and I'm investigating a shipwreck called the Ben Wreck. And it was a World War II era ship. It was sunk. I'm serious. It was a cargo ship actually that was sunk, and then it was salvaged by the Army Air Corps and salvaged, so it's brought back to life, and then it was used as bombing practice. And now it just lays there in the Keys. So, what's really cool though, and I'm shouting again. I'm talking over my music. So what's really cool about shipwrecks and wrecks in general is like reefs grow on them and coral, and that attracts all kinds of marine life. So I was really torn between diving the Ben Wreck or diving Snapper's Ridge, because the description on Snapper's Ridge was like talking about like it attracts all kinds of snapper, obviously, like 3 different species of sharks. I think nurse sharks. I don't know, a couple other sharks. Lobsters, crabs, dolphins, like anything cool like that you could think of. Snappers Ridge attracts. But upon talking to the guy at Rainbow Reef, he said like all that stuff, like it's everywhere. It's not like sharks and like everything I want to see like only go to Snappers Ridge. Like they go to the Ben Wreck as well, and Ben Wreck's World War II stuff. So that's kind of like why I went to college to like study this sort of stuff. So I'm really excited. I am about 20 miles out. Yep. Key Largo, 60 miles. So here's like some of the landscape. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Like it doesn't do it justice, but yeah. I made it. Made it here to Rainbow Reef. It's a beautiful freaking day. There's boats, obviously. Water. I'm like super excited, so stay tuned.